fucking following. I'm driving to Joburg tonight. When I get there, if I call you and you don't fucking pick up this phone, uzosola impilo yakho. Sazwan.
I understand why you're saying this, Tom.
No. I don't care if you understand or don't understand. You are doing your own things. And I told you, you don't do things in this house. Do you understand that? You don't miss Mamela Nandipha. The fact that you were upset and you blocked my number, that was the last time in your life a number. If you ever block my number, you will find you and your clothes on the fucking streets. You will never block me. I run this house. I suffer for this house. You will not block me. Do you hear me? I block me this time. I will drive to Johannesburg and I'll take your ass and I'll show you what I'm capable of. And if I ever fucking call this phone and you don't pick up, Nandipha, I don't want you to make me frustrated. I don't want you to make me angry. A long time. You go and do your own thing. Do you think I am stupid? Do you not think that I have a tracker on you? Do you not think I have people fucking following your fucking ass? Huh? Don't you think good I'm looking after your fucking safety? You think I don't know what you're doing?
I don't understand that shit.
So let me advise you for the last time. If I come to Joburg and you don't have your fucking affairs in order, you will regret it with your life. Do you hear me? Did you hear me? Did you hear me?
I hear you.
I will kill you and him. Do you hear me? I will fucking murder both of you.
Who's him?
Mamela, don't fucking raise me. Don't upset me. Yesterday you created a story. The other weekend, tell you something. Unfortunately, I'm politically connected. It means that whoever is close to me, they will be tracked by my people. You are 7 on surveillance. If you didn't fucking know, now you know. Every fucking move you make, when you drive to Natai's house, when you drive to Matt's house, how long you stay there, I know everything. So do not piss me off.
Ingane wethu yona-ke le clip etrendayo ey'nkundleni zokuxhumana. Mina ngifisa ukuthi ngezovo lwakho nombono wakho ukuthi wena ucabangani-ke ngalo daba. Mina igama lingumsizi aka Nkosi Uhati. Mina ngoba uqala ngale channel qinisekisa ukuthi usubscribe uzokwazi ukuthola zonke izinto engiy'postayo kuyona-ke le channel. Hlala lapha ku-comment section.